Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Loaded with features. Features also include rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, cooled seats, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2018 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.